not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the...
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Caroline here. In case you're new, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, it's in the morning. It's around 7:40 a.m. and my daughter just left for school. So I want to start cleaning by cleaning the living room windows and just cleaning my living room. That's the plan.
Information given that there is someone by your side, coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here.
Every time I'm cleaning, I always find toys stuffed under the cushions, under the seats, everywhere. So I have to pick them up and then just put them in one place. Although when the kids come, they will just scatter them everywhere again.
Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're take flight. So what if you've been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I'm right.
For the TV, I'm using glass cleaner, and if you're using glass cleaner to clean the screen of your TV, do not spray at the screen directly. Just spray it on the cloth you're using or the tissues, and that way you're not going to destroy your screen.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind. about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave.
To clean the floors, I'm using soapy water with Ariel in it and Mr. Muscle floor cleaner.
If there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
I like to finish my work in the morning so that when my son wakes up, I can spend time with him because he likes to follow me everywhere. Now that the sister has gone to school, he feels lonely. So I don't like cleaning and he's running around. He could, fall and get hurt. So I like the house to be clean before he wakes up. And when he wakes up, we just spend time together, go out and play and such.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
I had soaked some clothes like an hour ago. I always soak the clothes an hour before washing them. It makes work easier for me.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. my head. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet when it starts. Yeah. Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
After the laundry, I'm now in for my online daily prayers. I always pray at 9 a.m. in the morning on this platform of NSPPD. It's new prophetic prayers and declarations. It always comes in the morning at around 9 Kenyan time and 7 a.m. Nigerian time. You can see all these people that are online. I mean devices, because there are more people online. I mean people are really praying out here, and it's early in the morning, and that is a good thing, because the Bible says, knock and it shall be opened to you, seek and you will find. So seeking the face of God in the morning is very important to me. I always leave my kitchen clean at night. You can see there are no dishes in the sink and the cooker is clean. I don't like to find dishes in the morning because it just ruins my day. I don't like to start off the day with a dirty kitchen. I like to just make the breakfast and do other things in the morning. For breakfast, I'm making avocado toast and some scrambled eggs, and I'm also going to eat some cucumber on the side. I'm taking cocoa. I'm not taking tea leaves nowadays because of my tummy issues.
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like
If you've watched until this point, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.